The way we never used to have nowhere to sleep. Crystal me I represent.
Yo, bunting out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling.
Nah man run there so a prosperity. He made the place pretty like a rose.
Lisa, the boy can't say you ever beg him and know your style that. Put your call to him out, you will flop that.
And flight green, him no friend no feeling. Style to him thing, not trust some boy. Them a pies.
Lisa Anna go bust them bubble and walk out everybody in a trouble and face have been up, them a struggle, them a curdle. Lisa.
Oh, what a feeling, the socialist feeling. Now I feel everything Peter do.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win, that's why I'ma try again.
Hello people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So people, y'all know that election is set for September 3rd, 2020 people. But I don't know if this election is a dub plate election, cause me not lie people, everybody a draw for dub plate. Every politician out there draw for some form of dub plate people. I'm not gonna lie, me like it people. Me like it. Me like the dub plate them. But you got to give it to Lisa Hanna. Me and a PMP, me and a JLP. But Lisa Hanna dub plate them a kick. You have a buzz people. Me not gonna lie, you have a buzz. She recently, the first one she did was a Shensia dub she dropped.
Lisa, you not depend on nobody because you have your money. Can't sell your office when cause I feel your money.
Then this morning, she dropped the one and only Miss Grace Hamilton. She dropped a Spice dub.
Walk out everybody in a trouble and face have been up, them a struggle, them a curdle. Lisa.
And I think this one probably be the end of the dub session. Cause that one have a buzz people. It have a buzz, me not gonna lie. I'm not going to lie, this one have a buzz. Lisa Hanna lead by a far. DJ Honorable. Yeah man, it have a buzz people. And you know people, it come to the point what me want to make about dancehall music. Cause me know some politician try to fight dancehall music and look what them are doing now. Look what they are doing. So it goes to show you that you can't fight something that is enrooted in Jamaica. That's dancehall music is Jamaica. So if politicians out there I try fight dancehall music, you can't do that. Cause see they now use it in a campaign, be creative with it. So I saw people was commenting that, and I agree with that. Like them can't bash dancehall and then I try to use dancehall when them need it. You see what I say? It have to go hand in hand. If you like dancehall, you like dancehall, but you can't hate dancehall and then alright, me need dancehall now, so me I go like it. Nah man. Dancehall is a everyday thing. Reggae music is a everyday thing, people. But as me said, me like what is going on. It just show you the beauty of dancehall and reggae music and what can be accomplished if everybody work hand in hand. Cause they dub them nice. You see me, I say dancehall music is nice. Dancehall music is very creative, people. Like dancehall music is heard around the world. People copy dancehall music. You see me, I say, so we have to embrace it as our thing. We can't fight against it. There's no way. So as I said, politicians them who try to fight dancehall and burn out dancehall and I tell people to cut off dancehall party at certain hours and I sign off to do better and look into it, cause I don't know if an election this or a stinger come up. Let me know people in the comment section. Is this sting coming up or our election? Me feel say a sting, them are gonna have a sting election. You see me? A sting, it a go have a buzz. You see me people? But they not lie, but as I said, Lisa Hanna I lead it by far. You see me people? Dub plate. And I think she has more up the sleeve, you know. There was this other guy, this MP for St. Elizabeth. He dropped a dub too.
Boy can't stall we. Hear me no Barbara Hall. Yo, Treasure Beach. Hear me no Bram.
That dub did nice. But I think that was TG. So the dub them a roll out, you know. PMP have some dub. Yeah, man. People just leave it in the comment section what y'all think about this. But also, I want to point out to people that the dubs are nice. Some of them, Lisa Hanna's dub, it'll highlight what she has been doing and has done for her constituency. She'll highlight them there in our dub and me see it. And some of the other ones, them, you know, the lyrics, them have certain things in it where the other politicians doing as well, our MPs doing as well. But I really want some dub where I talk about what them are going to do for the country. Like, what them are going to do for help poor people. What them are going to do for help benefit everybody in a Jamaica. You see me? You have to talk the talk and walk the walk. So I want them better come with some dub where I highlight. Say, yeah, this more for Jamaica. I want them keep them word. You see me? So as I said, people, everybody a drop dub. But I can't left out the opposition leader, Peter Phillips. His dub was from an X-rated song, Dovey Magnum. I do not know what is going on with that dub there. I can't him call for that dub there.
Lord God, Peter Phillips so good. Me love how he make the country run like it should. Man can't hold it.
There is no way. I must Dovey Magnum say, yeah, me I do this with Peter Phillips. Cause me not think him could have really draw for that. Yeah, people, like, you know, they know the Dovey Magnum song. So when you hear Dovey Magnum put it in a dub for Peter Phillips, you can't but not sing the dirty version, people. So his dub need a whole 360. His dub not take flight at all. His dub is on life support. Him need a do-over because it's not kicking. It's not happening right now. So if you hear me, Mr. Peter Phillips, your dub, you need a better dub. You need another dub. And also to Mr. Tufton, he dropped a dub, but people are upset because you know all that thing was going on with him on social media about his sexual life and cheating and all that. So people are upset with his dub because him drop one and, you know, fit his demeanor, you know, fit his style. They must say him should draw for your gauge down in your throat, girl. Like, people wicked, you know. So they must say his dub no real, them disappointed in his selection of a dub plate. But you know what Jamaican people is. Jamaican people always find a way to be creative and make things nice. But at the end of the day, we want people to go out and vote for the right people, the person that they see that's gonna better Jamaica. You see me? No voting somebody who have a better dub. Voting somebody you think is the right person fit Jamaica. You see me? A person that is right for your constituency. You want the right MP, you want the right member of parliament. So do the right thing, Jamaica. Big up yourself, people. And me get back to you with more info on this dub plate clash. Use it. Up. I'm out.
Guess how I could come and live right? Tell them. Me could not agree.